Good morning, students. Today again we will learn the last page of lesson number 2, that is a clock that won the prize. So in our last class we have learned that Joseph found an idea. Yes or no? Joseph found an idea that from where did he find the idea? With the help of a cuckoo bird. Okay. So he told his grandfather about the idea and they started working for the clock. Okay, for the competition, and at last they made the clock, but it was very plain to look at. Yes or no? We have learned that much. And their neighbors were making beautiful clocks, okay, with some beautiful fruits, okay, and colored with enameled with silver color, golden color, with finely carved, okay, finely carved clocks. And next, what happened after they have made the clock? What happened? Let us see today. At last the clock was finished, and grandfather wound it up and set it to 5 minutes to 1. Okay, never were 5 minutes so long as this time, while they both waited to see if it worked properly. Okay, after they had finished the clock, okay, after they had finished making the clock, the grandfather wound it up. That means he had completely finished his work, and then he set the clock, okay, set the time. That means set it to 5 minutes to 1. Means what? That is, there is only 5 minutes left for 1, and when the hour clock will reach to 1, then what will happen? The cuckoo bird will come out. So they were just checking whether their clock was will work or not. Okay, so the grandfather set the clock for 5 minutes to 1. Okay, Joseph is thinking that this 5 minutes is very long. This 5 minutes is very long. While they both waited to see if it worked properly, they were waiting for the 5 minutes to go and to check whether the clock was working properly or not. At 1 o'clock, the little door opened. The bird came out, called cuckoo, and then went back. It works, cried Joseph. It is wonderful, and maybe we will get the prize. Okay, now the time has completed. The time is completed, and at complete 1 o'clock, the little door from where the cuckoo was going to come out, that little door of the clock. You can see this picture here. This is the little door, and from here, when it became 1 o'clock, from the little door the cuckoo bird came out, and it called what? Cuckoo. Okay, and then it again went back. So in joy, Joseph was overjoyed, and he shouted, "Let it works, it works." They were very much happy with their work, and he is saying that it is wonderful, and we may get the prize. Okay, and maybe we will get the prize. At last the great day came, and all the clocks were taken to the village hall to be judged. The prince and the princess came and looked at them carefully. Okay, at last the great day of competition came, and all the clocks were taken to the village hall. There is a hall in the village, and there all the clocks were taken to be judged. The prince and the princess came to judge the clocks, and they watched the clocks very carefully. Okay, some clocks were large and beautiful. You see how what type of clocks were taken to the village hall. Some clocks were large and beautiful, some covered with paint, and some were carved. Okay, some were beautifully designed, okay, and enameled, and also with painted. Joseph's heart sank. His plain little clock stood in a corner and seemed quite lost. So, in between all these beautiful, covered with paint, enameled, and carved clocks, Joseph's clock was what? It was a very plain and a very little clock. And Joseph's heart sank. That means he was a little bit upset by looking at those beautiful clocks, and he thought that my clock will lost in between all these beautiful clocks. Oh, if only it were near the hour and they could hear it strike, he thought. But it was only 10 minutes past 2, and he knew that in a short time the prince would finish judging the clocks and go. He is thinking that only if only it were near the hour. That means only when the hour and the minutes will be near the hour, and then only the people, the judge, the princess would hear the cuckoo coming out and saying cuckoo. Yes or no? So only if the minutes will be near the hours. But at that time, what was the time? it has just passed 10 minutes from 2. That means already the time was over. Okay, it was 10 minutes past 2 o'clock. So, and he also knew that in a very short time, the prince would come and judge his clock. But the time was not matching. Okay, the time was not matching, and now he is in very dilemma situation. He was in a nervous situation. So what would happen now? Okay, the judge will come now, and my clock, the timer in my clock is just 10 minutes past from 2. Okay, and it will take a longer time to go to 3 o'clock. Yes or no? So after that, what happened? At last he could hold back no longer. Please, sir, may I set my clock ahead and show how it strikes? He said to the prince. But which is your clock? Said the prince kindly. You are a very young clockmaker. Okay. At last, what happened? When he is looking that the prince is coming to judge his clock, then he couldn't wait any longer, and he asked a permission to the judge. What did he ask? That, please, sir, can I set my clock ahead? That means it is just 10 minutes past 2. Listen, and it will take a longer time to go to 3 o'clock. So, can I take my clock, the timing of the clock ahead, so that it can strike? Okay, and so that the bird can come out, and you can hear to the sound of the bird, and you can hear how the clock is working. Then the prince said that, which is your clock? But which is your clock? He couldn't see, yes or no, because there were many large beautiful clocks. So the prince couldn't see his clock, and he also said that you are a very young clockmaker. So which one is your clock? Joseph pointed out his clock. So Joseph showed his clock to the prince, and the prince smiled, for it was very, very plain and small. Why did the prince smile? Because he saw that this clock is very small, very plain. Okay, that is why the prince smiled. Yes, set it to hour, my boy, he said kindly. But as he saw that this clockmaker, Joseph was a very young clockmaker, he thought that he is a clockmaker and he is very young, very small boy, and that is why he considered and gave the permission that, yes, set it to hour, my boy, he replied kindly. Next, so Joseph turned the hands of the clock. Okay, so Joseph turns the hand of the clock, and in a minute it was 3 o'clock. So we know how to rotate the minute hands, yes or no? Minute hands and the hour hands. So Joseph also did that, and he turned the hands of the clock, and in a minute, what happened? What was the time? It turned to 3 o'clock. Out popped the little bird. Cuckoo, 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 it called, and turned back, and the door shut. So when they were checking whether the clock was working or not, then what happened? We know that from the small door, when it was 2 o'clock, when it was 1 o'clock, while they were checking the clock, from the door, the bird came out, and it shouted what? Cuckoo, cuckoo, yes or no? So in the same way, when here Joseph turned the hands of the clock, and it was 3 o'clock, and then what happened? The little bird came out of the door, and the bird said cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo 3 times, and it again turned back to the door and to the box, to the clock, and then the door shut. Bravo, cried the prince, and the princess laughed. I choose this clock to be the winner. It has something quite new, and this is what we want. Okay, now the prince was very much overjoyed, very much happy with this clock, and the princess was laughing. Okay, so they both were very happy, and now he decided that I choose this clock to be the winner. So who won at last? Who won the competition of making clocks? Joseph and his grandfather. The prince said that it was something quite new, and this is what we wanted. We all have seen many clocks, yes, all are filled with some designs, but this is something with a new idea. Okay, the prince said that this clock has a new idea, and this is what we wanted, and we decided to choose this clock to be the winner. Okay, so Joseph got the prize, and with the money they bought a new cow and some goats. So who won the competition? Joseph and his grandfather, yes or no? So they won the prize, and with the money they bought, what did they buy? They bought a new cow and some goats. Soon they had so many orders for cuckoo clocks that they were kept busy all day till grandfather said. That means what happened after this clock, after this clock had won the competition, won the prize, and they were getting many orders to make cuckoo clocks. Okay, and they were busy all the day in making cuckoo clocks. Till the grandfather said, we must have a new workshop and some friends to help us. So now when they are getting too many orders and they have to make so many cuckoo clocks, they were getting orders. So grandfather said that we have to open a new workshop, and there we have to bring some new friends, so that their new friends can the people can help them in making many cuckoo clocks. Okay, the cuckoo clocks were sent all over the world, and the village became famous for its cuckoo clocks. So they were getting many orders, yes or no? And the cuckoo clocks were made by grandfather and Joseph, and with the help of some people also in their workshop, and the cuckoo clocks were sent all over the world. Okay, it was sold all over the world, and the village became famous for its cuckoo clocks. Okay, so which was the clock that won the prize? That was the cuckoo clock made by Joseph and his grandfather. Okay students, so I think this story was interesting for you, how a new idea came to a little boy's mind, and how they made a plain little cuckoo clock, and in between of many large and beautiful clocks with many painted clocks, how did this small and the plain clock won the prize? Okay, and how they lived after that, how the cuckoo clocks became famous, how the village became famous. So this was the story about the new cuckoo clock. So I hope you found this story interesting. So once again I will say that please read this text, please read this lesson at home from beginning till end. Okay students, thank you.